How to lock Instagram profile. Let's get started with the video. To start, begin by launching the Instagram app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged in. Next, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Then click on the hamburger icon at the top right corner to open the settings menu. After that, scroll down to the section labeled Who Can See Your Content and select Account Privacy. Now toggle the switch next to private account to the on position. A confirmation message will appear. Click on switch to private. This action makes your profile picture visible only to the people you approve as followers. However, Instagram does not yet offer a direct lock for your profile picture, so just go back to the settings menu and scroll all the way down to the bottom. Then click on Help and select Report a Problem. Lastly, in the text box, clearly write that you want to lock your profile picture. Finally, hit Send to submit your feedback directly to the Instagram support team. While sending feedback doesn't immediately lock your profile picture, it lets Instagram know that the user cares about this privacy feature. That's all. This is how to lock Instagram profile picture.